Hi guys. Okay, today we're going to make a Works Cited page. Um, you're going to title it Works Cited. It's going to be a separate page right after on the same Google Doc, but on its own page from your essay at the bottom of your essay. You're going to title it Works Cited. It's just in normal Times New Roman 12 font. It is going to be double spaced, but I haven't done that yet. I'm going to show you how to do that. You are going to use hanging indents, which these are already in hanging indents where the name sticks out or the title sticks out, and that's going to help you alphabetize. I've already copied and pasted all four of these from this template. These are the four citations that I did for you that are in the T-chart. So your Works Cited page is going to be super easy if you only use these four websites. If you did use a different website, we're going to use something called EasyBib. It can be kind of tricky. What you're going to do is go to EasyBib and click on MLA 8. And you're going to choose that you want to find a citation. So we're going to go to Citations, create a new citation. And how you do that, there will be ads on here because in order to use it free, you have to watch the ads. Create a new citation, MLA format. Here we go. You're going to choose your source. Your source is a website. And you're going to paste it in here. So I'm pasting this procon.org because I know a lot of you used the top of this for this part right here for some of your statistics or your background information. If you use something from down here, you have to use the bibliography page that they provided for you. But if you use just like a quote or statistic that they personally wrote, you're going to put it up here. The title of this is Do Violent Video Games Contribute to Youth Violence? We're going to need to remember that because I think it gets a little confusing in here. So we put this in here, search. It finds it in here. Okay, one result, procon.org. Okay, yeah, let's cite this, but we're going to have to double check everything. The article title is not procon.org, so we're going to have to edit some of this stuff. Sometimes it's right on. The article title is Do Violent Video Games Contribute to Youth Violence? And let me double check and make sure I said that right. Do violent video games contribute to youth violence? Yes. Okay. And there is no author's last name. The website is not Violent Video Games. The website is Pros and Cons. You can see that right there. The URL right here. The sponsor, which is actually Encyclopedia Britannica, which you can find down here. That's who has sponsored this. Here's the address, all of that. They've reserved all these rights. This Encyclopedia Britannica. So a lot of times you can find information if you're missing it on this part. You can find it actually on the website. Notice that there's no author for this section. It's just they get credit for it, this britannicaprocon.org. Okay? All right, so we filled in what we can. We're going to hit complete citation. And here it is. Do violent video games. We're going to copy the citation. And we're going to go to our Works Cited page. And we're going to paste it in here. Now, notice it's centered. It shouldn't be. I'm going to change it. Change all of these, actually, so that they're to the left. The other thing is, oops, man, that's okay. I want them all flush to the left because then I'm going to put in my hanging indent. Okay, now let me show you how to do a hanging indent. Notice they're in alphabetical order. D, S, V, I, V, I, O, Y, I, R. So these are in alphabetical order. You have them here. They're single spaced. What you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go up here to spacing and double space them. Then you're going to go to each citation, highlight it, go into Format, Align and Indent, go down to Indentation Options, Special Indentation, and we're going to hit Hanging and hit Apply. And notice it kicks it over like that. Let me show you again. Format, Align and Indent, Indentation Options, Hanging Indent, Apply. We'll do it for all of them. Format, Align and Indent, Indentation Options, Special Indentation, Hanging, Apply. And if it looks funky up there like that does, leave it. That's how it's supposed to be. Format, Align and Indent, all the way down, Indentation Options, Hanging, Apply. And then highlight again. Last one. Now, obviously, you will not have this many. You should probably just have a couple. Indentation Options. But the couple that you have, they need to be in alphabetical order. If you just have one article, fine. I did not have like a limit to how many or minimum that you had to use. You just have to make sure this is formatted. So now I have it. Oh, this last one's not in the right font. So let's highlight it to double check. We need to be in Times New Roman, 12 font, double spaced, which it is, with a hanging indent in alphabetical order with a title that's just centered. And this, my friends, is how your works cited page should look at the end of your essay.